Morning, everybody. I just got in my It Works Repairage, and it's for your lip and your eye, and I wanted to show you the magic that this does. I have the world's driest lips, I swear. So obviously it makes them, tight, wrinkly, and with this stuff, it is so full of magical, absolute, natural products that just revive your lips and your eyes and take away those wrinkles and give you the moisture you need to keep that lipstick on and keep that lip gloss on. And I absolutely love it, and I have to share it with you, and I'm going to show it right now. So I'm going to put this on and you can watch it work as it just makes things so much nicer. So right now my lips are really dry, and you can tell, and this is what it looks like all the time. And I'm always searching for stuff to make my lips more moist, to keep lipstick on, for goodness sakes. I can't hold lipstick on for more than an hour, and this helps immensely. So I will show you and you can watch. It really adds to the moisture, and it adds to taking out all those wrinkle lines, and the fact that my lips always want to peel. I swear this is the most magical stuff I've ever used. See? Huge difference. Huge difference. Well, now that my son is back from his little errand, I'm going to get some lipstick on and we'll show you what those results are. But I just had to show this to you because it was so extremely fascinating. I'm hoping that all of you will decide that you want some and try it out, and you'll never want to go without. So we'll talk to you guys later.